Good morning everyone, my name is Harlin Aguilar and I'm going to talk about Ielts test. Well, I'm going to use the questions that we have now in guide activity. The first one is, what is the purpose of the exam? Well, the Ielts exam was created to access the English skills of candidates who want to study or work in an English country. Also, it has immigration purpose and academic purpose too. Okay, number 2. What kind of people can take this exam? The IELTS exam is offered to someone who wants to get into the university in an English country, or someone who wants to work formally in an English country too. 3. What is the main goal of the exam? The main goal of the IELTS exam is to give to the candidates a certificate in proficiency in English language. 4. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? Well, the IELTS exam have many characteristics, but I'm going to explain some of them. 1. The IELTS exam has two types of exam. One of them is for academic purpose, and another one is for general purpose. 2. Listening and speaking skills are assessed in the same way for both formats, but reading and writing have a different format. 3. It is recognized around the world as one of the most important exams. 4. IELTS has immigration purpose, and this is one of the most important characteristics in this exam. 5. What skills are evaluated through the exam? Well, the IELTS exam assesses 4 skills. These are listening, or reading, writing, and speaking. The English exam takes 2 hours and 45 minutes to develop. And finally, give a clear and wide explanation about the type of questions the exam has. In addition, what is the score you can get, the lowest score and the highest one. Give an explanation about the possible results. Okay, the questions of the exam has divided in 4 parts. The first one is listening. In this skill, the candidate has 30 minutes to make 4 exercises by recordings. This part contains different accents. Second is reading skill. The reading skills takes 60 minutes and depends on the format that you use. In academic format are 40 questions, and these are divided in 3 texts. For general format, you can have 5 texts. And third is writing, which takes 60 minutes and takes in account the difficulty and an essay. And the last is speaking. This skill has between 10 to 14 minutes and has 3 sections. One of them is an introduction and a topic and a debate. Okay, about the score, IELTS has a band scale from 1 to 9, 1 being the lowest and 9 the highest score. This is per skill. However, 6 is the minimum score. Here we have an example, the band scale. Remember, 1 to 9. Number 1 is not user, and number 9 is expert user. Okay, we have here an example on how to understand the IELTS score. If a candidate gets a 5 final score, according to the Common European Framework of Reference, that person will have a B1 level, and it is, or he is, in the independent user scale. Here I published the reference that I used to this investigation.